One of the best new features of AutoCAD 2026 and Civil 3D 2026 is the ability to now auto-assign layers for specific entities like dimensions, tables, viewports, etc. And to do it is actually really easy. So right now I can, in my command line, I can type in dim layers, hit enter, and I can either write out a new layer or pick a layer that we already have in our drawing. So I'm going to use C-anno-dim and hit enter. And now, anytime I add a dimension into my drawing, regardless of what my current drawing layer is, it's always going to go to the C-anno-dim layer. So here, if I go to annotate and I go to my dimension and I add a dimension right here, you can see that this dimension came in on the C-anno-dim layer, but our active drawing layer is layer 0. So if you like this tip, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video.